Hello guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and deposit money on your Kucoin account. So as you can see right here on my Kucoin account, if you notice, I have about $2 on my funding account. And once you deposit money into your Kucoin account, it's going to be in the funding section before you can go ahead and transfer it into your trading or futures or wherever you want to trade the particular, wherever you want to make the money, make use of the money. So basically, once you've gotten your fund into your account and you want to transfer it, all you have to do is to click on transfer. Then you have to click on the first one should be set to funding and the other one should be set to trading or futures, wherever you want to make use of it. Then you put in the amount and you send. Now to deposit money into your Kucoin, it's very easy. All you have to do is to come to your Kucoin home section, then click on P2P. If you're in Nigeria, Ghana, or maybe say basically if you're in Africa, this is the best method for you. So what you want to do is on this particular section, you want to select USDT. Make sure you select USDT. You have different assets there, but USDT and USDC are the stable coins. So you select that, you change your currency, and you select your search for your currency, which is NG in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria, so you can see Nigeria is not here. If you're in Ghana, you can search for Ghana. So you can see GHS is available. So you can search for your currency, and what you want to do is to go ahead and click on buy. But right now I can't buy because you can see my account is not verified, and there are some users, they have different policies. Some will allow you buy without verification, while some will allow you buy um without verification, while some will allow you buy only if you're a verified user on the Kucoin or in the Kucoin network. And currently, as you can see on my account, I'm not yet verified. But once you click on the buy, you'll be taken to the next page where you can go ahead and put in the amount of USDT you want to buy. USDT is equal to dollar. So you put in the amount in dollars and you're going to get the amount in Ghana cedis, and you'll be able to deposit money into your account. And once you deposit money, it's going to be in your assets section. So it's that easy. So if you found the video really helpful, kindly like and also forget to subscribe.